For decades, artificial general intelligence, AGI, has been a concept reserved for science fiction, a machine that can think, learn, and reason like a human. But today, as AI models grow more powerful, the question is no longer if AGI will arrive, but when. Some experts believe we could be just a few breakthroughs away from machines that rival human intelligence. Are we truly on the edge of this revolution? And what does it mean for the future of humanity? The difference between AGI and the AI we use today is massive. Right now, AI is narrow. It's built to do specific tasks like answering questions, generating images, or writing code. But AGI would be different. It wouldn't just follow instructions. It would understand, learn, and adapt across multiple domains, much like a human brain. It could solve problems it has never seen before, make independent decisions, and even develop new ideas. So how close are we to reaching this milestone? Recent advancements in AI suggest we're making faster progress than ever. Large language models like GPT-4 and Gemini are already showing signs of reasoning, creativity, and problem-solving far beyond previous AI generations. These models can generate complex arguments, simulate emotions, and even pass difficult exams. But AGI requires more than just processing information. It needs true understanding, the ability to self-improve, and a form of consciousness that allows it to set its own goals. One of the biggest indicators that AGI could be near is AI's ability to train itself. Traditionally, AI required human data and supervision, but now, self-learning models are emerging. Systems like AutoGPT can independently generate tasks and solve problems with minimal human input. This is a step toward AI that doesn't just follow commands but thinks for itself. At the same time, AI is becoming more multimodal, meaning it can process not just text, but also images, videos, sounds, and even real-world sensory data. This brings it closer to experiencing and interpreting the world in the way humans do. Another sign we're approaching AGI is the speed of AI's learning curve. While human intelligence takes years to develop, AI models are now improving in months, surpassing human capabilities in some areas. If this acceleration continues, it's possible that AGI-level intelligence could emerge far sooner than expected. However, not everyone agrees we're on the brink of AGI. Some argue that current AI is still far from true general intelligence. While AI can mimic human responses, it doesn't understand them in the way humans do. It lacks real consciousness, emotions, and self-awareness. Critics say that while AI is good at pattern recognition and information retrieval, it still doesn't have original thought or the ability to form its own motivations. If AGI does arrive soon, the impact will be staggering. It could solve humanity's biggest challenges, curing diseases, advancing science, automating industries, and even helping us explore space. But it also raises serious concerns. How do we control an intelligence that might surpass human understanding? Will AGI align with our values, or will it develop its own objectives? Some experts warn that an uncontrolled AGI could pose existential risks if its goals don't align with ours. Many of the world's leading minds, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Geoffrey Hinton, are already calling for caution, suggesting we need strict regulations before AGI arrives. But whether we regulate it or not, the race toward AGI is accelerating. Governments, tech giants, and independent researchers are all pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. So are we closer than ever to AGI? The answer is yes. But whether it happens in the next 5 years or 50, one thing is clear. When AGI arrives, it will change everything. The only question left is whether we're ready for it.